What is it? Oh my goodness. Hey, what's up, my quick fixers? Today is a special day. Why? Because it is my son Cree's birthday today. He is turning 10. You guys, 10 years old. I cannot believe I have a 10-year-old. That's like a decade. A decade. Good morning. You know what I just realized, Cree? You are in the same PJs that you were in for your birthday last year.
Really?
Yes. Crazy, right?
I didn't even know that.
I know. Well, what is today?
B-Day.
You are 10 years old. Double digits, Cree. Are you excited for your day today?
So today we're going to be setting up a big giant water slide in the back. Inviting some school friends over.
Uh-huh.
We're going to have the best time ever.
And then where are you going to go eat at?
The sugar factory.
The sugar factory. You got to talk to the camera.
And Cairo's going to love that. Because
Yes.
there's sugar everywhere. So, y'all over the walls.
Yay! Well, happy birthday, Cree. Mommy loves you. Can I have a kiss, please? Mwah.
That thing is so big.
You excited?
Me and Uncle, we're going to have a race on there. Oh my, the castle things. I'm gonna go way faster when it's water.
So this is the big bouncy house that I got Cree. The bouncy house. Dad! All right, you guys, to keep the kids refreshed, we have some juices with some water, and then we have some fun chips over here.
It's freezing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cree. All right, guys, I am chilling in the jacuzzi. I just went down that dang old water slide. Oh my gosh. I think I'm getting too old for this, you guys. But we're having lots of fun. Happy birthday, Cree. Okay, you guys, now they're playing Marco Polo. Hi, Grandpa! So you guys, I ended up getting ready. I just thought, you know, to put this kind of cute short and shirt outfit with some shoes. I don't know what it is, but whenever I have parties with the kids, I always feel like putting my hair in two little buns? Or do you put conditioner in there?
Yeah.
Okay. Y'all, Cree has so much hair. If you guys want to check out.
Kind of like wool hair.
Like wool hair? Yeah, we joke around and say that all of our we all have like different hair texture. Like all of us have like, you know, different coils, should I say. And Corey, he jokes and says that Cree's hair texture is like, you know, like a sheep's wool. It's so beautiful. Right, Cree?
I get that, but...
Let's see. Okay, so Mommy's just gonna put a little more water in here. But if you guys want to check out to see how Cree's hair used to be, how long it was, I actually did a video. I want to say when he was like maybe, it was one of our first videos for Tia Maureen's Quick Fix, when he was like maybe 5 years old.
Scroll all the way down.
They'll have to scroll all the way down to see click the video. But it's when I did Cree's hair, when he was like 5 years old, and he had like hair out to here. So if you guys want to check out that video, make sure you check it out. Do you want to show Quick Fix some of your Pokemons?
Okay, I'll go fast. These are my favorites right here.
How do you remember all of those, Cree? I'm so fascinated with these kids.
You know what's funny? Close my book, and I can name some right now. Ready?
Go ahead, Cree.
Charizard, Gyarados, Sceptile, Rashiram, Charizard. Pikachu.
I know that one. These curls popping for the ladies.
Please.
You know, mommy met your daddy when she was 20 years old.
Ow.
So 10 years from now, Cree,
Still
you
not
just
mine.
you just might meet your
Nope.
your wife.
Don't say it.
You're getting older, buddy.
No.
We are headed to the restaurant. Grandpa has Cairo. We got Uncle Todd. So where are we right now?
At the Westfield Mall in Beverly Hills.
Okay, and then we are going to what restaurant?
The Sugar Factory.
Sugar Factory. Okay, let's go. Look at that.
It's a sugar factory. Do you want to take a picture by the dots? Yeah.
Wow, isn't that cool, Cairo? Oh, wow, Cairo. Hi, Grandma. Your hair is beautiful. Thank you, Poopy. So pretty.
I'm trying to keep this color. I like this color.
I love the gray, Mom. Look at you looking all stylish. Look at your shoes. Hey! You look so cute.
Thank you, Momo.
Okay, you guys. So, wow, look at all of this candy. Cree, show me some of your candy. What is this? This is so cool.
Well, guess what?
Sorry, Daddy.
I believe I'm gonna buy the whole store.
You're gonna buy the whole store? Is that
Buy the
what
whole store.
you want the whole store?
Yep,
Well, I don't.
me and Ben.
You guys are just gonna go for it? Oh my gosh, Cree, these are your mommy's favorite candies right here. Starburst. I love Starburst and caramel. Wow, jawbreakers. I remember jawbreakers.
Giant jawbreakers. Getting that.
Fred, look at all these. These are gummies. Do you guys like gummies?
But there's gummy fried eggs.
Oh my gosh. What is that? A gummy brains.
I'm eating that.
Gummy brains. Gummy fried egg. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. The teeth. Those are cool. Mom, look. They have some candy that we used to eat when we were kids. Is that what you're looking at?
Oh, yeah, I'm looking at.
Look at these. Remember these?
Ooh.
Yup. These were really cool.
This two right here.
Remember these, Mom? Used to get us these all the
yes,
time.
the necklace, the necklace.
Yep.
Oh my God.
And then these are the sour ones.
Ooh, is this the taffies? This
Those are the
soft
warheads. No, those are the
stuff?
warheads.
I like the soft stuff.
Oh, wow. So cool, Cree. We're outside. Okay.
You guys know I'm a foodie, so I absolutely love food. And look at all of this on the menu. Whoa, Cree, look at the famous Sugar Factory King Kong Sundae. Insane milkshakes. Look at these, y'all. The Nutella banana milkshake. The Princess Make-A-Wish. The Dye milkshake. And then we have these cool salads. Soups and salads and burgers. Okay, so the party has just begun and the Pokemon trading has started. Trying to get those two? Okay, look at this. They're Willin and Dylan, you guys. Willin and Dylan at the age of 10 with Pokemon cards. I guess this says a lot what their future is going to be like. Woo! That looks so cool. Thank you. What? She said cheese. Whoa! Look at that! Look at her face. She doesn't look too impressed. She's like, what is that? Isn't that cool, Kyla? Wow. Ah! Hey, you guys got some ring pops? Oh, those are cool. Mommy used to have those all the time when she was a kid. Right, Cree? Well, you wouldn't know because you weren't born yet. That day, I meant to say right, Mom? Oh, wow. Okay. Where's my brain today? Okay, you guys, we got some shrimp, popcorn shrimp, some fries, and some buffalo wings. Oh, wow. Look at that. Whoa, Dad. What is that?
It's a waffle egg.
That's
Hamburger.
A waffle egg hamburger. Wow, that looks
Something that
amazing.
me and Cree are gonna create.
Oh, sugar,
Whoa,
sugar.
look at that! So cool, thank you! Wow!
No alcohol.
No alcohol. Corey, you just wanted to sit. Corey said he just wanted to sit and look at this. Whoa! Whoa!
Thank you, Daddy.
Hey, thank you.
Hold it. You hold it.
I can get those yet.
You lick it.
Oh, wow. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Whoa! Look, Cree, it has basketballs on it. Wow! Okay, you guys, so we just got back from Sugar Factory and the party hasn't stopped yet. All right, it's gifts time, Cree. Ooh, who is that from?
Yep, it's from Juliet.
Juliet. And then what did she give you? Pokemon cards. Oh, wow, Cree, that's so cool. Oh, that's from Grandma. Whoa! That's so cool. Let's see. Wow, that's so cool.
Yeah.
Whoa, look at that. That's from Grandpa.
Cairo.
Okay, show me the picture.
He rented a Dodge Challenger,
Okay, we have to turn it around this way so I can see it.
and we went in and out together.
Oh, wow, that's Grandpa.
Yep.
He got you such a really nice gift.
Yep.
Wow. And then what else did he give you? I heard that he gave you a wallet?
Yep. And the best part is, he gave me $50.
No way.
Yep.
Oh my gosh, Cree, he gave you $50?
Yep.
Wow.
I never had $50 in my life.
Wow. Well, happy birthday, Cree. Did you enjoy your birthday?
Yep.
Cree, you're 10 years old. Wow. All right, so Kyra's in the bed. She's asleep. We just ate some more sliders, rainbow sliders from the restaurant. I can't believe Cree is 10 years old. That is insane. My baby boy is growing up. Very proud of you. You know that? I am. I'm very proud of you. And I'm just so happy that you had a great day. Okay? I love you, boo. Yeah. Oh, wait, and what do we tell them? Make sure you
Subscribe.
and don't forget to click.
You have to get your fist. Smash that like button.
And we are trying to get to what this year? How many
1 million
subscribers? Thanks, guys. Corey said, trying to get to 5'7". Thank you guys so much for all of your support. This mommy is signing out. Right, Cree?
Yeah.
Okay, bye, guys.